What is good, my people? We are back again with another Dream Listen. Today, we are going to be on part 2 of our Forex funded challenge. If you did not know, I am going through a whole Forex funded challenge. I'm showing you guys every single trade I took, why I took it. I keep you guys upgraded on the progress of it until I pass the challenge. And then I'm going to make $100 billion on that account and give away around $35 of that. I'm not doing that. I'm doing a Forex funded challenge, and I'm telling you guys to do every single trade I take, and I'm also keeping you guys updated with the whole thing. I'm not gonna make $100 billion on it, unfortunately. At least not just yet. And I'm also not giving away $35 because that's like 3 Chipotle bowls, and I like Chipotle a lot. But today I'm going to take you guys through the past trades that I made the past couple of days, because I have been away. If you do follow me on Instagram, I suggest you do follow me on Instagram, because I'm a cool dude. I always be giving out free stuff on there. I gave away like $300 the other day on my Instagram, so highly suggest y'all go follow me. It's up there at Joovier_. But back to what I was saying, I've actually been away. It was my wife's birthday on the 2nd, so I got this big old Airbnb with a pool, basketball court, all that stuff. So we was out just living life. Y'all probably see I got a little tan, you know. See, I'm a little more brown than normal, looking super chocolatey, looking super sexy. But we're gonna hop into this video. I'm gonna show you guys all the trades that I took while I was away. I only took 3 trades, I believe, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I made and what my account is sitting at right now. I'm also gonna break down the trades and why I took them. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the post notification bell so you specifically can be notified whenever I drop a banger. Because listen, every video I drop is a banger, and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these bangers, because these are like, you know what I'm saying? I say this all the time. They're just so valuable. They're like, imagine your child, your firstborn child. You know what I'm saying? You love them so much. You would sacrifice them 20 times over to watch these gems. So just subscribe and hit the post notification bell, because I'm not asking you to sacrifice nothing. Just do them 2 things and they free. But let's just hop right into this. Wait. Before we hop into this, I highly suggest, if you guys want to be like me, you want to learn how to trade crypto, you want to learn how to trade Forex, if you want to learn how to read charts, if you want to know the psychology of it all, I have a whole academy that teaches you everything from step 0 to step 100. You know what I'm saying? Cryptoacademy.com is right over there. Y'all go and roll. You know what I'm saying? Literally, I was just talking about, somebody. I can't even speak. I was just talking to somebody about this, how people are always DMing me, sending me screenshots of them making $50, $100, 14,000 bucks, 5,000. Look, screenshots is all up there. People is making money all the time, and it's great that I'm able to help people. So if you want to be able to learn to trade, whether it be crypto and DeFi, whether it be technical analysis, so you could trade Forex, whether it be really anything in the whole aspect of trading, I suggest I go check out Crypto Academy. There's a whole page on the website that has a bunch of reviews on it, so y'all can see what other people are saying as well. But without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. All right, so boom, here we are. This is what our account is looking like right now. We haven't made some crazy big gains. We're at almost 2,000 profit on the account. We had, I think, 3 losing trades. If we scroll down, my win rate is 63% win rate. I have a 38% loss rate, whatever the heck word it is. I've had 2 active trading days, but like I said before, I was on vacation for the past few days, so I only took 3 trades. I'm going to show you guys exactly what those trades are that allowed me to get my account up to here. If you watched the first video, you saw I had 1 open trade, and my account was sitting at like 1,100, roughly around 1,100 with that open trade included. But that open trade ended up reversing and taking me out the trade, so I didn't even make any profit on that trade. So my account, before I went away and had this one trading day that I'm about to show you guys, was sitting at roughly like $1,000 and $150,000. But then the trading day that I had while I was away brought the account positive almost $2,000 on the funded account. So I'm gonna hop into the trades right now, but I just wanted to show you guys where we're sitting at as of right now. If we go to the account history, we can see all the different trades that I took. The whole time I was away, I only traded GBP, JPY. Right now, I'm only trading on this funding account, GBP, JPY, and Ethereum. I'm not trading the NASDAQ on this account just because the broker that they have doesn't allow me to trade it. But if y'all know, y'all follow me on Instagram, I'll be killing the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is literally my little, I can't say that word on YouTube, but you know what I'm saying? The NASDAQ is my son. You know what I'm saying? Little, you know what I'm saying? I beat the NASDAQ every freaking day. It's my little toy. I play with it. You know what I'm saying? But let's hop into these trades that I took, so I'll show you guys how I was able to make these profits. So this is GBP, JPY. All my trades, every single strategy I use is in my academy. If you have not enrolled in the academy and you want to know how I trade, you want to know the psychology that I have, you want to know how I take these trades, why I take these trades, you want to know how you could take them yourself, you want to know what I put on my screens, my trading view, all that, enroll in the academy. My whole mind is in there, you know what I'm saying? You get to see why I take all these trades. You get to see every single strategy that I use, and you can use them as well to get the same exact setups I have. I have people DMing me on Instagram all the time, sending me, oh, look, I used your strategy and I made $300. Like, it's great. You know what I'm saying? The strategy is super, super simple. It's not complicated at all. But yeah, so I'm going to break down these trades and why I took them. This was the first trade that I took literally the first day I left, which was on the 30th, June 30th. I'm on the 15-minute time zone. I knew that price was going to come right back down to this box because we did have huge rejections here, and we see price is on a downtrend. We have a lower high right here, a lower low right there, a lower high right here, then a lower low, lower high again. This is kind of higher low, but I still see it's on a downtrend, and we're just going down and down and down. So it came back up to this box up here that I have, and I was waiting for it to reject down and come back down here so I could enter into a buy. So that's what I did. So we'll wait for it to come down. Once I saw it coming close to the box, I switched to the 5-minute time frame, and I was just waiting for a nice confirmation. So it dropped down, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hopped in right on this candle. I actually hopped in before this candlestick closed. I hopped in literally right here, and then I had my stop loss right under the last candle. So this is the last candle. I had my stop loss right down here. So it was a great risk to reward ratio on this trade right here. But this trade did not end up actually hitting my full take profit. I had multiple different take profits here. I had one right here. I always have the first take profit at the most recent high, which is right here. Then I had my second take profit right here. Then my third take profit was obviously up here, but price never hit there. This was literally the longest trade that I've held for a very long time. I was just very aggravated. I was like, price just keeps going up and down. Like, price just keeps going up and down, up and down. Watch, up, down, up and back down, up and back down. Like, it's just ridiculous. I was just holding this trade for so freaking long. But the first time I came to this box, I did end up taking some of the profit out. I took around a quarter of the profit out when it hit this box. I didn't take any profit out on the first TP. But once it hit this box, I took out a quarter of the profit, and I put my stop loss to break even. So this was now a risk-free trade with some profit on it. So I was just cooling, you know what I'm saying? We had a pool at the Airbnb and all that. So I was just swimming in the pool, playing basketball, playing golf and all that, waiting for my trade to hit. But it just never hit. Every time I checked my phone, it was either up here or down here. I could have gotten so many other trades because it was literally just respecting this trend line so beautifully. I could have rolled this trade up. I could have rolled this trade. I didn't mean to do that. I could have rolled this trade. I can't even draw. I could have rolled this trade up. It came down and touched it again and went back up. It was just respecting this trend line so beautifully. But like I said, I was on vacation, so I wasn't sniping these entries. I was just chilling, vibing, letting my trade run. But I did keep seeing the price wanting to reject this area right here multiple different times. So once it came up here for the last time, I was just like, okay, I'm just going to stop the trade overall because it doesn't look like it wants to break above this area right here. So I decided to just take full profit I decided to take more profit at that area. I still had some of my profit staying in there to see if it would hit my full TP. But it did end up crashing below and hitting my break-even area right here and taking me out the trade. But I did profit a good amount in this trade specifically. And then once I got the money for this trade, I was like, okay, I'm cooling. You know what I'm saying? I waited till the next day. And then I had another trade on the next day. If we just fast forward this, I actually had two more trades here. Well, kind of one trade and a half here, and I'll explain exactly why. But I could have taken this trade as well. This was just like perfect. It was bouncing off of this support area multiple different times. I could have got so many trades on this. But like I said, I was on vacation chilling. I wasn't just going to sit at the screen and wait for perfect entries and all that. So, yeah, I didn't get in those trades. But once it broke through this area, I did have a resistance area right here. And you'll see it was actually being built. It was actually a resistance area. It wasn't a support area. This was a support area. I wasn't able to hop in this trade. This was a beautiful trade, but I was in Arizona, which is 2 hours behind a Houston time. And I would have had to be up at like freaking 4 o'clock in the morning to hit this trade. I literally woke up and the price was up here already. So I was like, okay, I missed out on this beautiful trade, but it's okay. At least I got to sleep. You know what I'm saying? At first, I thought price was going to reject off this area because this candlestick was kind of telling me that price was going to reject this support and then drop back down. But it ended up not doing that and crashing through to or going up to this next support area that I have right here on the 15-minute time frame. And then it broke, well, it came down and retested, and then it broke above it. And then I hopped into my 5-minute because I'm waiting for, this is a break and retest trade. So basically what I mean by that, it had a support area right here, a beautiful support or resistance area right here, I should say. It rejected this area multiple different times. Then when it came to this area again, it showed weakness and dropped back down. So I knew this was an area that if it broke through, it would come and retest it again before going back up to the upside. So that's what I was waiting for. It went up and then I see it coming down. I patiently waited for it to come down. And once it came down and I got this beautiful doji, or this beautiful candle, literally beautiful candle right here, came down, rejected it, showed resistance, and we had a green candle. I was like, okay, let me hop in it. So I hopped in the trade. I put my stop loss right below the box. And I actually did start sweating a lot. I was on vacation and I was trying to occupy my mind and be swimming and playing basketball and all that. Because if we look here, price was literally just playing around. Like it came down. It was coming down like it was about to take me out my trade. And I'm just trying to not think about it, swimming around in the pool. But every 2 seconds, I'm hopping out the pool to come look at the freaking trade. I don't even know why, because this was a great trade. Like the risk to reward ratio was amazing. It was a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So, you know what I'm saying? But still, I would still, you know what I'm saying? I was still looking at it. But yeah, so it came down even lower before it actually broke through. We had some good movement on the upside. So I had multiple different take profits here again. I had a first take profit right here, which I did not take any profit at. Then I had my second take profit right here, which I did take some profit at. But then it didn't end up hitting my full TP, which is up here. I did end up taking a closing my position right at this area right here, I believe. We'll see when it comes up. It hit TP1, then literally smashed through TP2. And I took profit at the top of this candlestick right here, half profit at the top of that candlestick, and moved my stop loss to break even, so it was a risk-free trade. And then it came up to this area. I saw rejection on it. The price was actually playing around. It was going down and back up and down and back up when I was watching it in real time. So I decided to just hop out the trade right here fully. Plus, this was on Friday, so the markets close at 5 o'clock on Fridays, and I don't like holding my trades over the weekend. So I decided to just close it and take my win. You know what I'm saying? I didn't need to wait for it to go all the way up because I probably would have never hit up there within the next 2 hours or so that the market was still open. But then I did see another trade here. I was being kind of greedy. I don't know why. But it came down, retested this support, this resistance area that then turned into a support area. And then I also had a disgustingly bad entry on here. I usually would have entered either on this candlestick right here, this green candlestick, or the latest, this green candlestick. But I didn't see it. I was doing something else. I don't know. But then I decided to hop in the trade right here. But this was literally like 30 minutes before the markets closed for the weekend. So I was like, I don't want to be in this trade no more. So I ended up just closing this trade out. Literally, let me show you. Literally on this candlestick right here, I closed the trade out for like a $200 profit or whatever. I really wasn't trying to make money on this trade after I realized it was so close to what time the markets were going to close. Because like I told you guys, I don't like holding my trades over the weekend when the market is closed. So I decided to just close my trade here without being any loss. Then the price ended up going back down into making me negative. Well, if I didn't close my trade, it would have made me negative. But then it did end up going back up. I'm not sure where the price is at right now. Let me see what the price is at right now. Oh, it would have taken me out the trade. But yeah, so that is the different trades that I took. That brought our account to almost $100,000 and $102,000. I'm going to be a lot more aggressive now with my trading just because I'm not on vacation no more. You know what I'm saying? I can actually spend time and look at the charts and actually pick out more confident trades. I've also not wanted to like make the challenge go by super fast because I don't want you guys to watch this and think you have to pass the challenge in a week or pass the challenge in a couple of days. I want to show you guys slow progression. I've talked about before on my academy, like just getting 1% a day, 2% a day, 3% a day. That can add up over time ridiculously, especially if we're compounding. So I wanted to kind of show you guys that in real time. So that's why I haven't been going heavy on the lot size. Is why I haven't been trading OD to try and finish the challenge as soon as possible. I just want to take it slow for you guys and really just like not rush it. You know what I'm saying? I want to enjoy the challenge. And then I'm going to pass it and make $100 million and give away Absolutely nothing. But that is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like right now. If you guys have any questions, if you guys are doing this challenge too, because I've had some people DM me and message me and be like, hey, I'm gonna do the challenge with you. And that's lit. We all go past it together. You know what I'm saying? I'm also gonna be coming out with a signals group. People have been literally begging me for this freaking thing. But the signals chat is going to be coming out very soon. I'm gonna work on it now that I'm back from vacation. It's also going to have a whole mini course on it as well. So if you don't know how to do none of this stuff, I'm gonna make a whole mini course for y'all as well inside the signals chat. But until then, I highly suggest you guys go tap into the academy, critfiacademy.com. It's on the screen right there. You can see all my strategies that I use, so you guys can do these trades yourself. You don't have to wait for me to put out a signals chat. You don't have to wait for me to tell you guys to hop into a trade. You don't have to wait for me to do any of it. You can do it all yourself. I'm literally teaching y'all everything I know. I'm not hiding nothing inside my academy. My academy shows you every strategy I use, how you can use it for yourself. And I just added some more strategies in there as well. I added a scalping strategy. I added a more swing trading strategy in there. So if that's something that interests you, critfiacademy.com. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Y'all think I should keep taking it slow? Y'all think I should just try and hit it like super quick and do a huge lot size and risk my whole entire freaking account? Y'all let me know in the comments down below. I probably won't listen to you, but it'd be cool to know that you listening to me this far into the video. But yeah, that's really about it. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. I can't even talk. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these gems. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram over there or over there. I don't know where it is, honestly. I think it's up there. I think it's, we're going to go with up there from now on. Follow me on Instagram over there at Joovier_. You know what I'm saying? It's good vibes over there. I gave away money the other day, like $300, something like that, just randomly to my followers. So if you like getting money, you like just following a cool dude like me, follow me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's really about it. Go look at my trades, go look at my crypto, go look on your business endeavors, go look on your girlfriend's OnlyFans that she's doing behind your back, go look on your mom's OnlyFans that she's doing in front of your face. Good luck on life as a whole, man, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.